Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two innovative washing machines designed for convenience and efficiency. On one side, we have the 13L folding mini washer, perfect for small spaces and travel. On the other side, we have the 16L upgraded model, which comes with a spin basket for enhanced cleaning. Let's dive into the details. The 13L folding mini washer is designed for smaller loads, making it ideal for individuals or couples. Its compact size allows for easy storage in tight spaces, such as dorm rooms or RVs. In contrast, the 16L upgraded model offers a larger capacity, accommodating bigger loads, which is perfect for families or those who need to wash more clothes at once. This larger capacity can save time and energy, making laundry day more efficient. The 13L folding mini washer features a foldable design, making it incredibly portable and easy to store. It's perfect for those who travel frequently or have limited space. Meanwhile, the 16L upgraded model not only offers a larger capacity, but also includes a spin basket, enhancing its functionality. This added feature allows for better water drainage and quicker drying times, making it a more versatile option for various laundry needs. Both washing machines come equipped with 3 cleaning modes, allowing users to choose the best setting for their laundry needs. The 13L folding mini washer is designed for deep cleaning of delicate items like underwear and baby clothes, while the 16L upgraded model also caters to small clothes but offers the added benefit of a spin basket for enhanced cleaning performance. This similarity in cleaning modes ensures that both products are effective in their washing capabilities. In conclusion, both the 13L folding mini washer and the 16L upgraded model have their unique advantages. The 13L model is perfect for those seeking a compact and portable solution, while the 16L model offers more capacity and functionality with its spin basket. Depending on your needs, either of these machines could be a great addition to your laundry routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.